So when Krishna makes this declaration that I will not fight, Duryodhana starts thinking, oh, on one side is the powerful, invincible Narayani Sena, and the other side is Krishna, a coward boy who's not going to fight anyway. So, what is the use of picking Krishna when you have the Narayani Sena on the other side? Duryodhana is convinced that if I somehow get hold of the Narayani Sena, I will win this battle of Kurukshetra. Krishna makes this offer to pick up the first choice to Arjuna. He asks Arjuna, Arjuna, tell me, you have Krishna, myself, and you have the Narayani Sena. Whom do you want? Arjuna, without blinking an eye, he immediately says, Krishna, oh Keshav, I want you. And Duryodhan is so happy inside, but he wants to hide this. He says, oh, okay, if that's what Arjuna has chosen, then I will choose what is remaining. I will take the Narayani Sena. Okay, what can be done? Actually, inside, he is so happy that this sentimental fool Arjuna, he has chosen Krishna instead of choosing the powerful Narayani Sena. Many times in life, we are also in this situation where we have to choose between two things. One is God and God's resources. We have wealth, fame, name, strength, power, position on one side, the Aishwaryas or the things that are very attractive, the energies of the Lord, and we have Krishna, God on one side. Most often we make the wrong choice. Like Duryodhan, we think that it is good to have Krishna's energies instead of having Krishna. But it is useless to have Krishna's energy without Krishna. So just like, let's take this example. Just like we have a lot of zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Let's assume we have 5 zeros. And if you have all these zeros and you keep adding 0, 0, 0, zeros, what is the final net value of all these zeros? It's still 0. The only thing that will give value to all of these zeros is when you add 1 in the front. When you add 1 to 4 zeros, then it becomes 10,000. When you add 1 to 5 zeros, then it becomes 1 lakh. But if there is no 1, all these zeros lose value. In life also, when we choose Krishna's energies, when we choose Krishna's resources over Krishna, we make this mistake of collecting and accumulating different zeros, 1 0, 2 zeros. Oh, I have 10 million zeros. What is the use? Unless you have that one Krishna, the Supreme One, the Krishna in our lives, all these zeros have no meaning. They are useless. There is another point to make. If you put Krishna, if you have 5 zeros, and if you put Krishna at the end and not at the beginning, the value of all that together is just 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Unless you put Krishna in the front, okay, let's assume you put Krishna in the second last. What the value is? The value is 10. You put one more, it is 100. You put one more, it's 1000. But unless you put Krishna right at the beginning, you won't get full value to the zeros that we have accumulated. So all these zeros that we accumulate have value only if we put Krishna right at the beginning. First Krishna, then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So the priorities in our life should be like that. You put God first and then everything else. Most often we put our priorities the other way around. We look at everything else and put Krishna last. Unless we put Krishna first in our life will have value, less value or no value at all. So to bring value to our lives, we must put Krishna in the front, right at the start. And all of us know what happened finally. Duryodhana went home happy, thinking that Narayani Sena is with me. Arjuna went home happy, thinking that, oh, I've got my Lord Keshava with me. What was the deciding factor of the battle of Kurukshetra? It was Krishna's presence on the side of Pandavas. It was Krishna who moved the victory towards the Pandavas. It was Krishna who was the architect of the win of Pandavas in the battle of Kurukshetra. So while we make our choices, Let's make the right choice. The right choice is to pick God, Krishna first, and his energies, his resources next. That's the lesson that we should gain of the many lessons that we heard today. So hope you found this interesting. Please meditate on the stories. These stories have lot of small lessons in between. Some of them we have discussed, some of them you will learn when you hear and think about it. And thank you very much. We'll see you again for another session of a small snippet on the Vedic wisdom. Thank you very much.